The Masterbuilt 3-in-1 electric turkey fryer stands out for its ability to fry, steam, and boil in a single countertop appliance, making it far more versatile than a standard deep fryer. Its generous 10-liter capacity comfortably handles a whole holiday turkey or a large batch of seafood, so it is well suited for family gatherings and entertaining. The design uses noticeably less oil than a traditional deep fryer, while still delivering crisp, evenly cooked results that taste indulgent without feeling excessively greasy. Safety is clearly a priority, with a magnetic power cord that detaches if pulled and a sturdy basket with lifting hook that keeps your hands away from hot oil or boiling water. Cleanup is much easier than with many fryers thanks to a built-in drain, removable parts, and components that can go straight into the dishwasher after cooking. Overall, the stainless steel construction, thoughtful safety touches, and true multi-cooker flexibility make this fryer a reliable workhorse for anyone who loves hosting big meals.